Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1013 in Honkai Star Rail. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet, then try restarting the game application completely. Often, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause connection issues. Check for any ongoing maintenance or server status updates for Honkai Star Rail on official channels, as this could be the cause. This initial check takes only about 30 seconds and can save you further steps. A reliable internet connection is vital for online gaming. Test your internet speed. You typically need at least 10 megabits per second for a smooth experience. If your speed is low or if the connection feels unstable, restart your router and modem. Disconnect them from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Sometimes, switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or mobile data can bypass a local network problem, offering a quick fix. Outdated or corrupted game files often cause unexpected errors. Open the Honkai Star Rail launcher and locate the Verify Files or Repair Game option. Clicking this button will check and fix any damaged files automatically. Confirm that your game version is current, as older versions might not connect to updated servers. Also, ensure your device's operating system is fully updated, as system software can impact game performance and connectivity. This process helps ensure your game client is in optimal condition. Sometimes, your default DNS server can cause connection issues. Consider switching to a public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. These are often faster and more reliable. Your computer's firewall or antivirus might also be blocking the game. Temporarily disable them for about 2 minutes to check if the error resolves. If it does, ensure you add Honkai Star Rail to your security software's exception list to allow it full network access, keeping your system safe while you play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.